Got another one, man. Got a 14 Toyota Corolla. We got an Evap problem. These are the codes. Got a P0441 and P0455. Incorrect purge flow and a small or system leak. So I had to run a smoke test to figure this one out. Got my smoke test. Without it, I would have never found it. And I'm gonna show you what I found. This is where we're entering the smoke, and I just let it sit for a minute. Look up under the car, check the gas cap. Got a little smoke coming from the gas cap too, right? But that's a new gas cap. I'm gonna refer brand new or OE, because that might not do it right there. So I'm gonna get up under here. Got smoke. Damn. That's what a fuel pump is. And just to verify, I saw it because I thought it was coming from up top, which it is. And I looked up under here, but I saw that. That's how I knew that's what it was. Yes sir, Rise and Grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, in this video we got a 2014 Toyota Corolla LE, and it should be a quick video. I want to show you how I replaced this hose here. This is a fuel tank hose assembly that goes to the fuel tank and the charcoal canister, and that's the part number. I'll put a link in the description so you can get that part. I had to get it from a Toyota little online thing, but it was cheap though. All right, let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion. We have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion. I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, that's the canister right there. And you can see that end where it starts. Gotta take that end out, and it goes to the fuel tank up there. And I'm gonna go up top to get that in and open the fuel pump door. Alright, so I used the flathead and pried these tabs back on both sides. They was on there pretty tough though, but I did get it off. It's on there. Alright, now we're going up top. Alright, we get this seat up. You just pull up on the front part of it. It's got two tabs on both sides. They go off in here. And then pull up your flap. It's glued down. And that's the other end. Do the same thing. Get that off. We're gonna go through the back end and pull that out. All right, back at the bottom. You see this little hook here. So it looked like the same length, but the shape isn't the same. Alright, it is the same length. I guess it's gonna mold into the shape or something. Cause this right here is pretty much brittle. That's where the hole is. And that's why we're replacing it. So had smoke coming out of there. I did a smoke test on it. It's definitely the same. That's it, man. So I'm gonna run the smoke through it again to make sure it's not leaking. Alright, we hooked up. Put the link in the description for that. Right here in the purge valve. And just wait a few minutes. So far so good, man. Do not see anything. It was smoke coming out right here, so looking good. That check engine light should go away. And that did the trick, man. I hope the video helped out. Until next time, the Pull Up King.